Welcome back to the channel, and today we are diving into something truly futuristic, bold, and visionary. This is the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Vision V, a concept that shows us how Mercedes imagines luxury vans and people movers in the next generation. This is not just a vehicle, it is a mobile luxury lounge designed for comfort, technology, and premium space like never before. The first thing that stands out about the Vision V is its overall presence. The exterior already tells you that this vehicle is all about space and elegance. It is long, wide, and smoothly sculpted, with a design that feels more like a luxury yacht on wheels than a traditional van. Mercedes has clearly focused on aerodynamics, but without sacrificing the bold identity that makes it instantly recognizable as a premium Mercedes-Benz concept. Now let's talk about space, because this is where the Vision V truly shines. Step inside and you immediately realize that this vehicle is designed to redefine interior room. The cabin feels open, airy, and extremely spacious, thanks to the flat electric vehicle floor and the long wheelbase. There is no bulky transmission tunnel, no clutter, just pure usable space designed around passenger comfort. The seating layout is inspired by first-class airline lounges. The rear passenger area is the highlight, offering individual lounge-style seats that can recline deeply, rotate, and even transform into relaxation positions. These seats are not just about sitting, they are about experiencing travel in a completely new way. Legroom is massive, allowing passengers to stretch out comfortably even on long journeys. Mercedes has used premium materials throughout the cabin, including sustainable leather alternatives, high-quality fabrics, wood trims, and ambient lighting that changes color depending on mood or time of day. The lighting plays a huge role in making the space feel calm and luxurious. Soft LED strips run along the doors, ceiling, and floor, creating a floating, futuristic atmosphere. One of the most impressive space-related features is the separation between the driver area and the rear lounge. A smart glass partition can switch from transparent to opaque, giving rear passengers full privacy when needed. This turns the Vision V into a perfect vehicle for VIP transport, business executives, or luxury family travel where privacy matters. Storage space is also intelligently designed. Instead of traditional glove boxes and compartments, Mercedes integrates hidden storage solutions into the doors, floor, and side panels. This keeps the cabin clean and minimal while still offering plenty of room for personal items, bags, and travel essentials. Moving on to features, the Vision V is packed with cutting-edge technology. The dashboard is dominated by a wide digital display that stretches across the front, showing driving data, navigation, and vehicle status in a clean and futuristic layout. The steering wheel itself is a tech hub, with touch-sensitive controls and haptic feedback. For rear passengers, the experience feels more like a private cinema or entertainment suite. Large high-resolution screens are integrated into the cabin, allowing passengers to watch movies, attend virtual meetings, or enjoy immersive digital content. The sound system is tuned specifically for the spacious interior, delivering rich, surround-style audio that fills the cabin evenly. Another standout feature is the intelligent climate system. Instead of basic air conditioning, the Vision V uses multi-zone climate control with air purification and scent customization. Each passenger can control temperature, airflow, and even fragrance, making the space feel personalized and comfortable for everyone inside. The panoramic glass roof adds another level of openness to the interior. It allows natural light to flood the cabin during the day and offers a starlight-style experience at night, thanks to embedded lighting elements. This makes the interior feel even larger and more relaxing, especially during night drives. Mercedes has also focused heavily on digital assistance. The Vision V is expected to feature advanced AI-based voice control, allowing passengers to adjust lighting, entertainment, seating positions, and climate settings simply by speaking. This reduces the need for physical buttons and keeps the cabin clean and futuristic. From a practicality standpoint, the flat floor and wide doors make entry and exit extremely easy. Sliding doors open smoothly and provide a wide opening, which is perfect for families, elderly passengers, or anyone who values convenience. The low step in height also adds to the overall accessibility of the vehicle. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the Vision V represents the future of autonomous-ready vehicles. While it is still a concept, Mercedes showcases advanced sensors, cameras, and radar systems designed to support semi-autonomous and fully autonomous driving in the future. This means passengers can relax, work, or rest while the vehicle handles most of the driving tasks. Overall, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Vision V is not just about transportation. It is about transforming travel into an experience centered around space, comfort, and intelligent luxury. It shows us a future where vans are no longer just practical vehicles, but premium spaces designed for living, working, and relaxing on the move. If this concept makes it into production even partially, it could completely change how we think about luxury people movers. Mercedes-Benz is clearly pushing boundaries, and the Vision V proves that the future of mobility is spacious, smart, and incredibly refined.